Hi, this is Debbie back with Mom's New Life. Moms, now that there's more of you coming this spring, you will have kids that are out of high school. You will probably wonder what to do with your life. Some of the things you can do is you can start your own business. I have a LeBri business, and I also have a business where I paint furniture and then try to sell them. I find the furniture on the roadside usually, and then I redo it with painting. Sometimes I do staining. Some other things that I like to do in the meantime are read books, and I like reading books on how to do new things. Some of the times I like reading authors' biographies about people. I like Vince Lombardi and Mary Kay Ash because they live by a high moral standard. People that live by high moral standards will do things the way God wants them to do them. And so one of the things that I want to do is grow a garden. And then, of course, if I have any extras, I will share them with people, like the elderly people at church like having fresh vegetables, but a lot of them cannot get down to the ground to make their own. And then I'm also going to start sewing, and I like to sew by cutting apart old clothes that I have and making them so that to make something new. Patterns these days are like $14 a pattern or more, and it's pretty expensive. So I'm going to teach myself how to make patterns and make some more skirts and tops. So I might also try a new thing where I'll go to a resale shop and see if I can find material or dresses that are way too large for me and use them as material to make new things like shirts, and buying clothes, making the clothes that out of the patterns out of the new material. So that should be interesting. If you've tried that, please put that in the comments below so I can know that I'm not the only one trying to do something like that. So right now I am going to go outside and give the chickens a little bit more sawdust because it's a little muddy here. And then I will check out my garden and see if I can spread any manure that we hauled out last week when it was too muddy to spread it around. So remember, you're a mom, no matter if your kids are out of high school or not, but you can also start to do things that you like to do and new things that you might like to do. It's always good to learn new things. That's what we always told our kids when they were growing up. So now it's your turn. Have a great day, and remember, I'm praying for you.